Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on change wallpaper, which is right under the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, so let's tap on it. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We do not have a lot of them, as you can see. My Photos, which is of course your own gallery, and on device wallpapers, where we can check some pre-installed options. And all we have to do is to tap on the option we'd like to check. So let me choose maybe this one. And as you can see here, we can check the preview of the wallpaper on the home screen and the lock screen. You can check how it will look like. If you want to, you can of course go back and check some other options. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon in the right lower corner. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so on the lock screen or both home and lock screens. So let me tap on this option. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.